So I honestly think they may be one of the most beautiful things that I own for Easter. I came across these yesterday. So as I said in my previous video, I will often chop and change my tablescape, and I'm going to do exactly that because these are just the perfect Easter starter plates. They are handcrafted and hand painted in Turkey. And I just thought they were absolutely beautiful and so affordable at just €13.99 for 4 pieces. They're extremely heavy and just really beautiful pieces that I think you will have forever. And so I'm going to pop these on top in place of the starter plates I have set out and see how they look. So for Easter morning on Easter Sunday, I'm going to set this table in here, the slightly smaller kitchen table, just for an Easter breakfast. And so I want to show you a gorgeous haul that I got yesterday for this table in particular. So I'm just popping on here to the end of my dining table rather than set this up in the kitchen because we have a couple of days yet until Easter Sunday breakfast and we will be using that table in there. So I'm just going to show you here the quick haul that I got yesterday and I was just so excited. These are all from a shop here in Ireland and it's also in the UK called Deals or Pep & Co, I believe. Probably similar to the Dollar Tree or the Dollar Store in the United States if you're in America, but these were all completely reduced because obviously it's so close to Easter. So I could not believe my luck and I grabbed as many pieces as I could. So there are 6 of us here for Easter lunch, but also for the next few days for Easter breakfasts. And so I thought I would do something really cute and festive in the kitchen. And so I picked up firstly these absolutely beautiful ceramic bunny plates. They are so deep. And I've actually kept the receipt here because I had to remind myself of the value. These plates, these bunny plates were €1 each. So, I mean, you will have these forever. I could not believe my luck. So if you are in the UK or Ireland, run, don't walk to Deals because they had plenty of stock, so still probably loads available. And so yes, I got 6 of the bunny plates, which I think would be really cute just to, obviously as a layering plate or for some toast, sourdough on top, something like that. I then also picked up, which I thought were so beautiful, these little egg cups, and I got a pink, a yellow, and also this green colour, so very much in keeping with my colour scheme this year of the greens, the pinks, the sages. And so I just thought I would pick up, they only had these 3 colours, so I got 2 of each. So again, might be nice to layer on the plate with the cutlery and then put a little chocolate egg in the top of the egg cup, just for a little bit of fun for breakfast on Easter Sunday. But I just thought they were just so gorgeous, and I believe they were also just €1, so unbelievable. I'm kind of regretting that I didn't pick up more than 1 of these because these were also €1, I believe. Yes, they were also €1, and so these are gorgeous as little bud vases on a table. Now that table is quite small, which is why I was thinking I would only need 1, but I probably could have done with putting 1 or 2 on this little table as well if I really needed to, but they are just gorgeous. I then picked up a couple of these carrot plates again, which will be just lovely to sit maybe like a jam and a butter dish on top. Just really, again, festive, and I believe they were 75¢, so unbelievable value. This is probably the star buy, so this is extremely heavy, and if I just remove the sticker underneath, it does allow you to put a battery operated tea light inside, and this was also 75¢. This is fully ceramic, so just beautiful, and I got a couple of these just to dot around the house on my entryway table and a side unit here that I have beside the dining table. So just really, really pretty. Again, all from Deals. So really, really affordable, gorgeous pieces that you'd have forever. Another thing I forgot to mention that I also picked up was this really cute picket fence crate, which as a cake designer I thought would be really, really cute to prop around my Easter cake. So I always create a beautiful Easter cake for a centerpiece in my kitchen for Easter Sunday. So I have just picked this up. I thought it'd be a lovely little idea just to sit the cake inside of this crate, and that was also 75¢, again with my Deals haul. So lots of bargains to be had in the days leading up to Easter. Just a little idea here of how I might style the setup, the table setup for Easter morning, but it'll be just very cute with a nice little chocolate egg sitting in the top of the egg cup. Style my napkin like little bunny ears. I'm going to use my green glasses again, which you will have seen on my YouTube short that I got from Primark. They are also reduced for Easter and are down to €2 from €4, so really, really affordable. And I have switched them all out. So I did have my blue ribbed glasses, which you'll have seen on my previous video, which I've swapped out for these gorgeous green, because they're just so pretty, so detailed, and just something that I will have forever for Easter.